Who was the first to install a telephone in the White House? Who was first to install a telephone in the White House? Now I'll give you four options and you try to guess which one from these four options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here's the list of the option. The first option is Theodore Roosevelt. Second option is Rutherford B. Hayes. The third option is Andrew Johnson, and the last option is Grover Cleveland. So from these four options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Rutherford B. Hayes. So that's the answer for the question, Rutherford B. Hayes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.